Hello.
Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Good evening.
All right. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me clearly? You can't hear
No.
me? You can't hear me?
Yep. Yep.
Wait. There, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, yes. Now, where are you right now? I can see a motorbike at your back.
I I live in uh, living room.
You are in the living room. That's why I saw your motorbike. All right. So, are you ready to learn tonight?
Yeah.
All right. Yes. Okay. So, as I will review what we had last week, you had reading, right? You had
Yeah.
reading last week. Now we will do speaking. Okay. So it will be more on talking. All right. So let me start. I will share screen with you for us to start our lesson for tonight. All right, there. Right. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So, what is our topic for tonight? Can you tell me?
Tonight we learn it back.
Okay, so for tonight, it will be about pets. Okay, do you know what are pets?
Yeah. I
Alright.
in my house have cats.
You have cat in your house?
Yes.
You love cat. How about dogs? Do you love dogs?
No.
No. What can you share to teacher why you love cats than dogs?
I love cat because cat is very cute.
Oh yeah, and also the fur of the cat. It's so fluffy. You know, I like also cat because their fur or their skin are so soft, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are soft and fluffy, and you like to comfort it. You want to hug it always. So that is what cat. So very good. You love cat. You know what? Me, when I was still young, what I like most is dog. Our dogs. Yeah, I have dogs in our house before when I was still.
I like cookie.
Yeah, like you, like when I was at when I was like your age, I also have pets like dogs. But now I don't have time anymore with pets. That's why I just envy other people who have pets because they're so cute. They're gonna go together with their pets. All right, now here. Okay, so for tonight, you are going to read the passage. I will give you a passage for you to read and practice speaking about your friend. So I will be listening to you on how you say the words correctly, how you pronounce the words correctly, and also your speaking skills. Is it okay for you?
Yeah.
All right. So if you're going to read the passage, make sure that it's not that fast so that I can hear what are some words that you will mispronounce and so that I can help you correct those pronunciation. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, for tonight, it's just so easy because all you need to do is just to share with me. All right, here. Okay, there you go. I have here a two paragraph passage that you have to read. Okay, are you ready now?
Yes.
All right, you are ready. Go.
Rosie is a I have been keeping for me for the past 4 years. It was by
Share.
by
Can you turn on your video?
mảng gì trơn mà trơn nó cái máy tính nó di chuyển được. Okay.
All right, go.
Cheer.
You're here now.
Cheer. I said that Rosie came into my hand. It an Alsatian.
Alsatian. Again, Alsatian. Alsatian.
Alsatian.
Hmm?
It is a medium haze gray in color with dark
Spots?
near
It's spots?
but near her belly, pushy and
Glistening. Again,
glistening
Good.
eyes. I
It
grew into a beautiful and
magnificent
magnificent dog, much to the envy of others. I gave her some biscuits
biscuits. Again.
biscuit and milk in the morning, rice and curry in the afternoon. Usually she is not given any food in the night. When we are at our table, Rosie keeps company with me, but she shows no
Eagerness.
to
Touch.
even a crumb less offered whenever I go out in the evening. She accompanies me. Rosie seems to be one of my friends. I love her very much.
All right, very good. You're good in reading English. Yes.
You have dog?
What is it?
Teacher, you have dog?
You have?
Dog.
Yeah, I have dog in our house. As of now, we have 2 dogs, but it's not mine anymore. It is my niece dog because they're still young and they love to take care of their dogs. You know, we have color white and color brown. But here I am in my sister's house and they have dogs here. You want to see?
Yeah.
Pia, can you show your dog, Pia? Because Mary wants to see your dog. Come on, get it for a while. It's so cute. Look at this one. This is, what's the name of your dog again, Pia? Marta. It's Marta. It's a girl. Okay, come on. Mary wants to see Marta. Marta is my nephew's dog. Look at this dog. See that?
So cute.
Yeah, so cute. And she's pregnant, you know? She's pregnant. There are babies, there are puppies in her tummy. It will be her first baby.
I have
First time. You have one cat? Is your cat a girl or a boy?
Her is like sleep.
So do you sleep also with your cat?
Yeah.
Wow. Also this one, the dog that I showed you, My nephew wants to sleep together with the
My
dog.
cat name is Tom.
Ah, the name of your cat is Tom?
No,
Alan.
my name cat is Tom. Tom.
Ah, Tom. So the name of your cat is Tom? Your cat
What?
the name of your cat is Tom?
Cat is Tom.
Ah, do you know the cartoon Tom and Jerry?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. So nice of you. You have a pet cat. Me, I only have dogs in my house. But when I was still young like you, I have lots of puppies in our house. But now I don't have time to take care of them. So it's my other members of the family who took care of the dogs that we have there in our house. We have small puppies also there.
When they eat my birthday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How
Tomorrow.
old is wow, your birthday?
Yeah.
Wow, how old are you tomorrow?
11.
11. Wow, happy birthday, Mary. All right. So, very good that you have pets because sometimes pets can make us happy if we are sad. Pets can give us joy, and pets can also be our friends if we don't have friends or if we're just staying in our house. That's why some other people wants to have pets more than friends, right? Because they say that friends will love you, pets will love you forever. If you take care of them, they will give back the love that you've showed them. Very good. So let me start explaining the passage that you read about pets. So Rosie, the one in the picture, is a dog which I have been keeping for the past 4 years. All right. So here, Rosie is together with her friend for the past 4 years already. And it was by sheer accident. You know what is sheer accident, Mary? You know what is sheer accident? It's just somehow they just meet unexpectedly, right? That's sheer.
My cat. My cat from England.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, is it your dream to have a cat, or it's also a sheer accident that you have a cat?
Well, I don't know.
Um, is it because you really love cat, that's why you really wanted to have a cat, or it's just an accident that oh there is a cat, I want to have it like that? Did you buy your cat or not?
I don't know.
Did you buy the
Yeah.
cat? Ah, so you really
Yeah.
love the cat. Okay. So it's not a sheer accident that you have a cat because you really dreamed of it, of having a cat. Very good. Okay. So here in the story, this dog, Rosie, is just got by the friend by accidentally. Okay? That Rosie came into my hands and it is an Alsatian. Okay? That is the breed of the dog. It's Alsatian. So it is a medium height. It's not that big. Gray in color with dark spots. You know what are dark spots?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, dark spots are the one in a dog or other animals that, let's say, for example, the color is white and there are some circles, small round. Okay, those are what we call as spots. And
My cat.
okay, can you show me your cat? Is your cat with you
My
now?
cat in the spa.
Huh?
My cat in the spa.
Ah, okay, later. Show me your cat, okay?
My cat went to spa.
Ah, your cat went to a spa? Oh, wow. Okay, very good.
My
That's
cat is
good.
very lazy.
Why? Is your cat big?
No, my cat is very lazy.
Lazy? Why? Always sleeping?
Yeah,
Oh, really? Is it big? Your cat is big or just cute, that's small?
and my cat is really dolly.
Oh, okay, very good. So you're the one who will give food to your cat. You feed your cat?
My cat like cookie.
Wow. What do you play with? What do you usually play with your cat?
Uh, I play with cat. Oh, my cat it like watch TikTok and Facebook.
Oh, really? So cute of
Yeah,
your cat. Oh, it's so amazing that your cat loves to do that. Oh, very good. Now, okay, let's proceed to our topic. So, there are dark spots near the belly or the stomach area here, bushy and glistening eyes. Okay, beautiful eyes. That's how she described her dog. So, it grew into beautiful and magnificent dog, much to the envy of others, meaning the dog grew beautifully. The fur or the skin of the dog was nice, the color was nice, the size was nice. That's why some people got envy. You know what's envy?
no, I don't know Andy.
Oh, and they say, wow, I like the cat. It's like example. I'll give example. Oh, Mary has a very cute cat. I wish I will have that kind of cat. Oh, that's envy. You meaning you're happy with what others have. Okay? That's being
Yeah.
envy. Okay. So I give her some biscuits. You know what's biscuits? Mary, you know what is biscuit?
No, I don't know it.
It's somewhat like cookies, crackers. Okay, they're the same with biscuits. And milk in the morning. Do you give milk to your cat? Does your cat
My
drink?
cat, my cat do like do morning exercise.
Oh, so you also bring your cat outside or no?
What?
Do you?
Outside.
Yeah, you bring. Okay. How about milk? Does your cat loves to drink milk?
No,
No. What do he is it a girl or a boy?
girl.
A girl. Okay. So what does you usually give to her? Water only.
Uh, my cat like um,
Fish.
my cat like water.
Oh, right. Okay, very good. So some, you know what? Some other pets, they love to drink milk. Other
No,
cats drink also milk.
no.
Ah, your cat
For the
doesn't like? How about, does your cat also take a bath?
yeah.
Ah, really? It will not do like that to you?
My cat her wearing dress and skirt.
Wow! You see, wow, your cat also has dress. So
It's not
cute.
beautiful.
Is it beautiful? Why?
I don't like it.
You have to buy a new one. There's a lot of fashion dresses for the cats and even other pets. Okay, so here, I give her some biscuits and milk in the morning, rice and curry in the afternoon. So that is the food of Rosie. So usually, she's not given any food in the night. How many times does your cat eat?
It
About Does your cat eat in the morning?
Yeah.
How about lunchtime?
He eats 3 times morning, lunch, dinner.
Oh, all right. Good job for your cat. You know
In
what?
the morning, she cookie, then she eat rice, and evening at dinner,
How about
she eat uh, she eat rice and eat
rice?
fruit.
Okay. Fruits? How about fish? Do
Yeah,
you get really fruits?
yeah.
Oh,
My
really?
cat like watermelon and
Your,
strawberry.
you know what? Your cat is so amazing. Our cat here doesn't eat fruits, only fish. Only fish and rice, no fruits. If I will give fruits to our cat here, oh my god, they don't like it. They don't like it. Only fish and rice. That's all.
And my cat like chicken and don't like fish.
Really? That's so amazing cat. Because I think most of the cat here in our place, their favorite food is really fish. Oh,
My cat eat don't like fish.
wow, so amazing. I just knew it right now that there are some cats that eats fruits. Because here I guess no cat eats fruits. Only fish and right, yeah? And rice. Oh, okay. Good. Okay, now here, let's proceed. Okay. When we are at our table, Rosie keeps company with me, but she knows no eagerness to touch even a crumb unless offered. So whenever I go out in the evening, she accompanies me. Rosie seemed to be one of my friends, and I love her so much. How about during eating time? During eating time, if you have food, does your cat also get your food, or she will just wait for you to give?
Um,
She will get without permission food of yours.
in the
You
my
know,
cat eat my cat is very
really?
chubby, and
And you know what? There are some people who have allergies with cats.
my cat is very John Buffalo.
So cute of your cat. Oh, you know what? I was really amazed of what your cat eats, because it is my first time to really hear a cat eating fruits and doesn't like fish. Yeah, it's so
Yeah,
amazing. It's my first time, promise. It's my first time. That's why I was so amazed of what are the foods that your cat eats. It's so cute. All right. So very good of your cat. So in here, it says here that the dog, Rosie, makes friend with her owner. Okay. So do you also treat your cat as your friend? Do you treat her as your friend? As your friend?
yeah.
Ah, very good of you. Because you know what? There are some people who are just bad. They just throw cats away, even dogs. And I feel pity. I feel sad whenever I hear someone throwing puppies, throwing
My
kittens.
my mom don't like cat and dog.
Ah, and how come? She says yes when you take care of the cat.
No, my dad.
Ah, your
My
dad.
dad like dog and cat.
Oh, that's why she just agrees that you will have also a cat. Okay. So when was the time you had your cat? How old is your cat now?
My cat is 1 years old.
Ah, it's still young. It's 1 year old. So when you had your cat, is it still a kitten or it's already big now? When you had it first time?
Cat is very small.
Ah, small. So you were the one who makes your cat big.
Give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Con cho cô xem cái ảnh của con tôm này. Con tôm này. Hôm nay học bài ấy. Học bài gì? À đây mẹ chụp máy đỏ này. Mẹ chụp ảnh tôm ở máy này đúng không? Để má em thấy nhỉ.
Okay, are you done?
Okay.
Right. So now we will go to vocabulary words. Okay. Can you please read the vocabulary words I have here? Okay, first.
Spot.
Spot. Do you know already what is spot?
Yeah.
Ah, the one I told you a while ago. Those are dark circles in the animal. How about this one? How to read this?
Belly.
Belly. You know what's belly?
No.
Your stomach. That's a belly. Here. The tummy of your pet is a belly. All right.
Yeah.
Does your cat have big belly?
Yeah.
Oh, so it seems like your cat is fat.
My cat is very fat.
Oh, very fat. So cute. Next, how about bushy?
Bushy. Glistening. Magic. What?
It's bushy.
Goosey?
Yeah, you know what's bushy?
Yeah. No.
Look at this one. Bushy.
He gave me my money.
Meaning it has a lot of fur or their skin. It's so fluffy. Next to bushy, what is this?
Glistening.
Okay, glistening. It's like glimmering. Like their eyes is just nice and it twinkles like that. Shining. That's glistening. Next, this one. How to read this word? Another one. How about this?
I don't know it.
Magnificent. Magnificent.
Magnificent.
Yeah, when you say magnificent, it means it's like amazing. You can say wow. It's like you're excited about it. That's magnificent. Okay? Very nice. That's magnificent. Next, envy.
Envy.
You know now, understand what is envy? Meaning, you like what others have?
I don't like envy.
Oh,
It's not nice.
yeah, it's not nice. Being envy is not nice. So you have to be thankful of what you have, and you must not be envy with what others have. It's not good. Very good of you. Next, this one. What's this?
Eagerness.
Eagerness, meaning you're very
Eagerness.
excited, like that. You're very excited to learn. You're being eager, meaning you're excited to learn. You're excited to go to other place. You're excited to play with
Very
your
happy.
pet. Yeah, very happy. Very good. Next, this one. Last word we have here
Crumb.
is crumb. You know what's crumb?
Crumb.
You know
Yeah.
what's crumb? All right.
In my mouth.
Ah, it's your mom. Okay. When we say crumb, those are small pieces of food that is left. Just like when you try to eat a bread, if you eat a bread, diba? If you eat it, there are small pieces of it that will fall. So those are examples of crumb. Understand?
Yeah.
All right, good. Next, here. You answered this already. Do you have pet? What will be your answer?
Yeah.
You say, yes, I
Yeah.
have. What will you say?
Yeah, I have.
Yes, I have. If you don't have all, you will not answer this because you said you have. The question here is, if you don't have a pet, why not? Would you ever consider getting a pet? Don't answer it because your answer is, yes, I have. This is only a question for those who don't have pets. Okay, next. Do you like animal? Do you like animal?
Yeah.
Yes. So aside from cat, what are other animals that you love or you like?
Hamster.
Okay, cat. What else?
And hamster.
Oh, hamsters are so cute. What else? Do you still have any other pets you love?
No, I don't have pet. I don't have hamster.
Okay, do you only like cat and hamster? No other?
I have cat and I have cat. I don't have a
Hamster. How about dogs? Do you like dogs? You like dogs?
no.
No, so only cat and hamsters. Your chosen animals are so cute and have a furry skin or fur. Next, here, what is popular pet to have in our country? So what are some pets that most of the people in your place have?
What? Oh, give me 2 minutes. I go to the toilet, teacher.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so now let's go back to the question. What is popular pet to have in your country?
What is? I don't know. Question it.
Okay, so the question means what are the animals that most people in your place have?
Place have.
Yeah, people in your place most have. They have these kinds of animals. What are the popular or what are those kinds of animals that they have in their house, in your place? Like you have
Um,
cat. What else? What are
my cat is.
how about other people in your place? What are some animals they have there?
My cat is very fat. Cute.
All right. So does also other people in your place have cats? Do they have cat also? Your neighbors, your friends, like that?
Yeah.
Oh, so I guess cat is popular in your place. How about dogs?
I don't have dog and I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. All right, next. Oh, so here, I have here different pets. Can you name the pets that I have here in the picture?
Hey,
This
I
one.
have cat egg.
Ah, you have. This one.
Rabbit.
A rabbit. This one. So cute. This is
Cat.
a cat. How about this?
Dog.
Ah, very good. How about this one?
Fish.
A fish.
In
So,
my in grandfather house have many fish.
wow. Big fishes? Are they big?
Yeah, big fish.
Oh, so nice with different colors. So we have here, these are some examples of pets that most people take care. First is we have here is the rabbit. Next is cat. Next is dog and fish. So these are the most popular animals that most people have here. Did you have pet as a child? The answer is
Yeah.
yes, you have. Okay, next. Here. Here. Okay, can you please complete this one?
When I watch you, I have
Child, it's
cat.
child.
Child, I have cat.
All right, only cat. How
Yeah,
about other animals? Only cat. Okay, when I was a child, I have cat. Good. Next. Why do people have pets? Why do you choose to have a cat?
because I because cat is very um cute, fat,
Mhm.
and it young buffalo.
What is it? It's
It jump. It's young buffalo.
it's Jumbo Buffalo. Okay. So yeah, some people take care or some people choose to have pets because they find it cute, and some other also they want to have pets because they want to have more friends. They want to have pets more than other people. Okay, next. So these are some reasons why people choose to have pets here. Because
Yeah,
okay, can you please read? Can you please
lovely
can you please
because
complete one? Because
because
pets,
best make me happy.
very good. What else? Because
No,
only
be,
that.
because best make me happy.
Okay, so you choose to have pet because it makes you happy seeing your cat. But some other people, they want to have dog because they think they are loyal. Oh, next. Okay. What can children learn by having a pet? What do you learn from having a pet? Did you learn something from it?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. So there are some people that when they have pet, it gives them the sense of being responsible. I know you are responsible because you are the one who will give food to your pet, who will bath your pet and take care of your pet. So it will give you the lesson of being responsible. You know what you're doing, you know that you have to do it for the sake of your pet, and also the feeling of love. It teaches us how to love not other people but also animals. All right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess that would be all for tonight, and I will see you on, wait, I think I will see you next week. I think I am not around on Thursday because I'm on leave. So I will just inform in the group chat, okay?
The
What is it?
um teacher,
Yes?
it's 7 minutes to go.
Oh, it's 7 minutes to go. Yeah, I ended the um the slide because it ends there, and it is time for us to share. Now, can you show me your pet? Can you get it? Or it's far from you? Ah, I know, I
I have
forgot you.
photo.
Can you show it to me?
Okay. Okay. Đâu nhỉ?
So it's your birthday tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
So what is your wish for birthday? Do you have wish?
No.
Ah, no, you don't have a wish.
Yeah.
Okay, can you show it to me?
Oh, where? Where photo?
Okay, so for tonight, what we discussed is about what?
What?
It's about pets and how do you love your pets. Here, you know what? Here in our country, the famous pets that we have here are dogs and cats. But our cats don't eat fruit.
No, my cat eat fruit.
Yeah, that's why I was so amazed. I will never forget about it, that your cat eat fruits. Do you have already their picture?
Where picture?
Okay, you find it. Right. So our lesson next week will be about writing. Okay. We'll be talking
Yeah.
about anything. Okay, now it's about speaking. You're very good in reading English. All right. I think
Yeah.
who teach you how to speak English? You're already
Teacher,
good at it. Yes.
do you know Teacher Daisy?
I don't know. There's a lot of teachers here. It was your old teacher before?
Yeah.
So she's the one who teach you how to speak English. She is?
Yeah.
And?
What? And
Mm. And you miss her, I know. What time do you go to school?
I go to school.
Yeah.
I go to school.
Time.
Uh,
Until now you still have school?
I go to school in 6:30.
What's that?
What?
What's that? What again?
I go to school at 6:30
What's hapasik?
in the morning.
Ah, in the morning. Okay. How about in the afternoon? You don't have school?
And afternoon. No, afternoon I go to school.
Ah, afternoon. All right. Very good. So you are already, I guess you'll be 12 years old tomorrow. And will you invite your friends in your house? Or only your
Oh,
family? Family only.
family.
All right.
Family.
So can you share to me? Do you have siblings? You have sister or brother?
I have brother.
Younger brother or older brother?
Younger.
Again? Younger. How old?
7.
All right, 7. Does your brother also have a pet?
No.
No, only you. Very good. So, how long was your pet you bring in the spa? Ah, that's your brother. So guap, so cute. It looks like you. Look at that.
No, eat more. Eat more.
But your brother also looks like you.
Yeah.
You have the same shape of your face. Okay, so do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay, so I will see you next week. Okay?
Yeah.
Next week because teacher, me, I think I will not be around on Thursday because I file a leave, so I'll be
Saturday is
absent.
New Year.
Yeah, it's New Year. Do you also celebrate New Year in your house, in your place? You have New Year?
In your house.
Yeah, me also. I will celebrate it together with my family. Okay, so that would be all, and I will greet you advance Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Mary. So I will see you on Tuesday. I had a great time with you because oh, I have cat here. Oh, the cat is eating. And the cat is eating fish again. I told you, not fruits. Fish, rice and fish. Okay, so that's the all for tonight. Thank you for
Bye.
sharing me about your pet. Bye bye.
Bye.